Hey guys, and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to get refund in Saudi airline ticket online. So guys, go to Google and search for this keyword, and then guys, all you have to do, you see this page, refund, manage refund. You have this submit a request. Just click submit your request. When you click submit your request, guys, you see this option from here. Click a new request from here, and when you click new request, guys, just click new request from here. As you can see here, after write your ticket number, and then all you have to do, you see this page, verification code. Click just send this verification code. After that, click your code that see from your phone number that make from here. So guys, this is how you can do, and then click agree to agree. After that, guys, you see all the details of ticket, how much refund you will get, and write your reason of this refund, guys, and then click next. After that, you will ticket refund was submitted, and then you will see email soon to get your refund. This is how you can do, guys. Just click new request from here and write your ticket, and then complete your these simple steps. Make sure, guys, write your verification code, click on send code on your phone mobile. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video helpful for you all. Don't forget to give like.